going on? You back with Shooting with Key. Today I got my Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0. This is the first shots. Let's see how it shoot. God damn! It actually shoots pretty good. I think it shoots better than my Glock 19. I really bought this just to be a range toy. I was gonna put an FRT in and, you know, burn up some ammo. But the more I shoot it, the more I'm kind of liking it, you know. But it's still gonna be a range toy. Tell me what you think about the M&P. If you have any other firearms that you would like to see us come out and try, let me know in the comments.